Hi, I'm Noah Hackworth, President and Operator of Hackworth Vacuums, and I would like to demonstrate our Memorial Day vacuum test for 2020. I know we haven't done one since 2017, and it might be time to just, do one again 3 years later. So first off, we have the Shark Navigator from 2014. Next we have the Dyson DC-14 from 2005 or 6. Next we have the Eureka Optima from 2005 or 2006 or 7. Then we have the Hoover T-Series from 2010. And last we have the Dyson DC-33 from 2012. So we're going to start with the Shark Navigator. We're going to do one pass just like last time with the Dyson vacuum test. So here we go. Hey, that did pretty good. Alright, so now the DC-14 from 2005 or 2006. Now the Eureka Optima from 2005 or 2006. Now the T-Series from 2010. Lastly, we have the DC-33 from 2012. Alright, so I think the Shark Navigator did a pretty good job.
Is that the winner?
Yep.
So tell us a little bit about the Shark Navigator.
Shark Navigator is 5 years old, from 2014. It's 5-star rated.
What does that mean?
It means it's as seen on TV, so it does great.
Why would you want to have that vacuum? What kind of conditions?
Because if you have allergies, like anti-allergen complete seal technology, that's great for people with allergies.
Okay. What about floor types?
You can turn on and off the brush roll, like this.
Is it good for homes with carpet?
Yep.
Say that.
It's great for homes with carpet.
And
And
if you have pets?
if you have pets.
Okay.
It's great for pet hair.
All right. What about utility?
Utility. It's good for like if you're like a cleaning lady and you go to clean people's houses. I would recommend this.
Okay. Anything else?
That's it about it. Happy Memorial Day.